Accumulation, accumulation, continuation, elevation, domination, mitigation, initiation, transformation, detonation, celebration, elevation, illumination, liberation, concentration, orchestration, organization, manifestation, observation, confirmation, acceleration, articulation, regulation, fluctuation, circulation, vegetation, legislation, orchestration, oscillation, penetration, constellation, motivation, revitalization, synchronization, modernization, visualization, operation, calibration, reverberation, meditation, levitation, infiltration, escalation, accumulation, continuation, initiation, mitigation, transformation, radiation, domination, elevation, celebration, vibration, liberation, illumination, continuation, elevation, gamma levelation, total detonation, generation, transformation. Trade intuition, the chart magician. Make sure to type bingo bango in the chat. Domination, elevation, initiation, mitigation, continuation, summaration, revelation, notification, prognification, nullification, modification, fortification, unification, purification, replication, duplication, overstimulation, annihilation, accumulation, continuation, elevation, domination, mitigation, initiation, transformation, detonation, celebration, elevation, illumination, liberation, concentration, orchestration, organization, manifestation, observation, confirmation, acceleration, articulation, regulation, fluctuation, circulation, vegetation, legislation, orchestration, oscillation, penetration, constellation, motivation, revitalization, synchronization, modernization, visualization, operation, calibration, reverberation, meditation, levitation, infiltration, escalation, accumulation, continuation, initiation, mitigation, transformation, radiation, domination, elevation, celebration, vibration, liberation, illumination, continuation, elevation, gamma levelation, total detonation, generation, transformation.
All right, guys, here we go in 3, 2, 1, a bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I show you how to trade without the tuition. You don't need to pay me to learn how to trade. I don't want to get rich off of you. I want to get rich with you. So of course, make sure to follow, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe if you're not already. We're going to say hi to the chat in just a moment. Let me go over here. Sorry about being late. Right when I was going to go live, got a phone call. It's like, I got to go. They're like, but Joe, blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, okay. I got to go, for real. Like, all right. Anyway, so thank you guys for being here. You guys are the absolute best. We're going to go over crypto, going to go over Bitcoin, going to go over your coins, going to go over thought process, and possibly insure a coin. Maybe. We'll see. Chris in the house. What's up, Chris? Thank you, man, for being here. Floki's Angels. Thank you so much for being here. Meet Damien in the house. It says, look at Suey. We'll do that one. Suey. Meet Damien. Let's see here. We got Grandpa saying good morning. Well, good morning to you. Good morning. Let's see here. Chris says, okay, either my sound is messed up or something. Is the sound messed up? Let me know. Or maybe it was when there was nothing. I didn't have the sound on, and so I didn't know when the song finished. And I'm telling my buddy, he's like, dude, I gotta go. And then I go and it's like, oh, let me play it again. Let's see here. Sleepy Hollow in the house. What's up, man? Peak took off for me today. Yeah, a lot of coins. A lot of coins. Just because they've been down so much. A lot of coins went. Steve in the house. Steve says, trade intuition. Hey guys, hello. Been a minute. Working out of state. Well, I appreciate you being here, Steve. Very much so. Thank you very much for that. Let's see here. I'm watching my live Zet trade at the moment. Very nice. What's up, Mike? Appreciate you, man, for being here. Good morning. Good morning. Crypto Change Me. What's up, buddy? Dude, if you're not watching Crypto Change Me, you're missing out. If we got admins in here, please put Crypto Change Me's YouTube. Killed it. Absolutely killed it. So shout out to Crypto Change Me. By hands down. Amazing dude. Amazing thought process. So your sound is good now. It must have been when you got on the phone. Yeah. This is too good. I gotta put this. Your sound is good. It must have been when you got the phone call. For a second, I thought you had Road Dogg running sound for you. I love Road Dogg. I message him all the time too. Dude, you had no sound for 32 minutes and you had 45 people in there. How? But everybody loves him. He's a good dude. Let's see here. Crypto Bubbles says on the daily, not too much action. Dash up 5%. Where are my double digits at? Where are they? Tell 10.4. Curve 9.9. Zcash 10.5. Let's go. Moon Mission. Let's go. Let's look at the hourly. Ooh. Normally, I can tell if Bitcoin's going up or down based on the hourly. If it's green, Bitcoin's probably going up. If it's red, well, probably going down. Here, I don't know what it's doing, but we're going to find out in just a moment. In just a moment. Let's see here. Where's my mouse? And I say this all the time too. Anybody has multiple monitors, never ever have you said, oh, there's my mouse. It's always, where's my mouse at? Looking at all the monitors. Where's my mouse? It's too much fun. Yeah, Crypto Change Me is a beast. Absolute beast. Huge honor to know him. Huge honor to watch his videos. And he has nothing to sell. Nothing. Those are the ones where it's like they're just sharing their knowledge. To me, I love it. I love it. Let's see here. Check out virtuals. Yeah, definitely. Steve says virtuals. Virtuals. Steve. Roger that. Roger that. All right. Let us look at the Fear and Greed Index. What does it say? Fear and Greed Index with the refresh. Crypto 26. Down 2 points. Okay. Okay. Liquidations. Refresh this. Let's go to the 24-hour. And thanks to Al and all of his alpha, we need to put this down to 0.6 threshold. I never adjusted this before until Al uses it. So he uses it and he's successful. We use it. And that's the thing too. We're all learning from each other. We really are. If a strategy is working for you, you want to share it, feel free. That way we all make money. Let's see here. No blue Lambos. No. Unfortunately not. It's either shrimp ramen or beef ramen. That's what it is. Then Al also told us about this button that was right here all along. Liquidations map shows you the buys and sells. All right. So we're looking at the 24-hour time frame. But right in the middle, boring. There's no direction, really. We could come down. Lots of nice liquidations. Price level 91.6 to about 91.5. About 100 and, I don't know, what's that, 40? Which is 40. 40, so it's 80. And then 55, so what, 135? Not bad. Up here, nice liquidations, and that's million, of course. Sitting at 94.6, we got 40 million. Then just above it, 94.7, 40 million. So we got 80 million, man, boring. 55 million, less than this block. Where's it gonna go? Nobody knows. Could it come down to trick everybody and then come up? Sure. That's why we trade level by level. See here. Let's check the chat. See here. Chris says, remember how I was all happy about my shorts the other day? Yep. Well, I took profits and got back in. Not as happy now. It's all good. You know, so and we're gonna go over the charts, of course, you know, and what goes up will come down. What goes down will come up. It's just a matter of when and how much they want to run up, how much they want to run down. That's again level by level. That's what we do. And then if they have a really nice run up, I would expect a retracement at least 38%. 50% is what I really like. But sometimes, because the market has been so horrible that, well, FOMO kicks in. Oh man, we're gonna do it. This was the bottom. My mentor called the bottom this week and last month and the month before, but that doesn't matter. I'm brainwashed. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see if we start going up from here. Yeah, that FOMO, man, it's crazy. Yep. Busy at work. Yeah. Yeah, I feel bad. I used to support a lot of streamers because I'd be home all day and I'd watch them, you know, smash the like, comments, engage. Now, I'm mining fiat. I'm mining fiat so that this bear market, I can load up. Yes, indeed. Here. Recently, I've been able to get on stream. Hey, dude, I feel you. I know exactly what you mean. Yep. Very true. Very true. What goes up, it's going to come down. It's just a matter of when. See here. All right. Mr. Ethereum in the house. What's up, buddy? I think this This beanie is so dumb. It's got like a big old thing right here. Gotta squish it down. I have another beanie. I don't know where it's at. But it's like a medium or something. And it just goes around the head. Made a killing with CRV today. There you go. Yeah, there's a lot of coins. Let's see if we can get into a coin today. I was watching Trader Geo. Love the Jeep. He's very conceited. I don't say conceited. He's very sure of himself. And rightfully so. You know, I think he's a great trader. Him and Alex Crypto. But for Trader Geo, he just needs to be more humble. Whenever he's here, I say it. I said, Trader Geo, you need to be humble. But it's like, yeah, we're taking live trades right now. I don't see anybody taking trades except Alex Crypto. And I was in the comments, I said, hey, I take trades. When it's good, take a trade. And y'all have seen it too. Steve, you're my favorite. You know it. You're my favorite. Let's go over here. 12 hour. 12 hour. Same, we have a lot. Towards the bottom. The real K Diggity in the house. The real K Diggity. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, it's definitely smash the like. See here, we have a lot towards the downside. Let's see if we come down for it. It starts at, man, hold on. Joe, what happened? My sock is coming down. Okay, don't fall. Don't fall. Ready? I gotta start running. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just playing. How fast is the treadmill going? 1.2. We got 1.2. Let's see here. Me Damien says, what fiat are you mining? I got a job, man. So of course I'm a registered nurse, but I haven't worked in 5 years. The limit is 4. So I got to jump through a bunch of hurdles to start working again. So in the meantime, I'm at a supermarket, I guess supermarket in the meat department. I love it. Oh man, I've never done this. I love it. A lot of physical work. I love it. I have a blast. There's a lady who's in charge, and it was funny. Story time. Is it too early for story time? It's too early. It's too early. We'll do story time in a little bit. All right. Oh no, not 24, 48. Let's do 3 day. 3 day. I love story time. 3 day. We have it really nice and bright right here. For me, I was thinking around 89 would be really great for it to come down to. And I don't believe we had this lit up yesterday. We may have, but it's a really nice bright level. 900, geez, 90,000, we just call it 90K. There is 101.59 million. And I was thinking that price may come down here about 89, somewhere right in here, in this area, 89-ish. Be really nice. And now we have nice liquidations right here. Story time. I love story time. I'm afraid y'all gonna be like, story time, that's so boring. Joe, we don't care about that. Okay. So here, price is here. We were saying it's okay if it comes down. If it comes down and then comes up, we're good. But if we go up, we come down, we go up, and then we break it, that's oh man, that's this face. So here we did come up to come down, which is good. Pretty much for the area I was thinking. And then now, let's see it come up and break this level. Breaks this level, we can enter. Doesn't break the level, we wait. Not financial advice, but this is how we trade. We're gonna use this and the magnet tool. The only magnet in crypto is on these. Hey, hold on. Oh, hold on shift. Hold on shift to go straight. The only magnet in crypto is on your chart. There are no magnets. A lot of people say the moving averages act like a magnet. The point of control, the value area high, low, Bollinger Bands. When you say it acts as a magnet, it hurts traders. Because as a new trader, or a trader in general, I think, oh, it acts like a magnet. It's going there. 21, moving average, for example. Oh, it's going there. However, the 21 is an average of the candle closes. Just like the 9, 50 SMA, 200, all that fun stuff. There's a higher probability that we might go to it because it's the average. However, price is king. Price action dictates what the moving average does. It's a cause and effect. So we're pretty much done with that. For example, 3 minute. We're far away from the 9 SMA, the 30 SMA. Does that mean we're coming down to this? No. We can continue going up until we decide to go down. And then when we decide to go down, well, then the average of the closes are here. Doesn't mean that it'll find support. No. Doesn't mean if there was a moving average up here that we're going to find resistance. No. We do have a higher probability that we might, due to the fact that the average candle body closes right there. Exhibit A. We move away from the moving average and then we come down. Why? Because this is a magnet or acts like a magnet? No. Price went up. What do you want to do? You want to buy low, sell high, right? That's what's going on. Price goes up, price goes down. Price went down to the moving average, stayed there for a little bit, went up, and then guess what happened? It broke down. And what does the moving average do? Because it is the reaction to the price. It follows it. Then price comes up again, breaks through it, didn't act as resistance, just straight up broke through it, went up, keeps on going up until it starts coming down. So that's what that is. All right. Yeah, that's funny. Let's see here. Let me catch up on the chat. We're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Sui for Meet Damien. Virtuals for Steve. Let's see here. Steve says, Joe trading $14 better than anyone in the game. Let's go. I love you guys. That's right, guys. Let's go. Let's turn that $14 to 15. That's right. Let's see here. Yeah, and then when I'm off work, I try my absolute best to catch streamers. And then we happen to be streaming. We did a 12 o'clock stream yesterday. And then from there, we went to Meet Damien. Great show. Great show. Story time. So here. So here. Yeah. I got hammered too, man. In that big drop, October 10th, I believe it was. The day that went down in infamy. I was actually having lunch with my buddy. Maybe my old neighbor. He's a good friend though. And finished having lunch. Got in the car. Saw somebody message me. Joe, I'm done, man. I'm done with this crypto. I said, whoa. What? Like, dude, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not in the office. It's taking me about an hour to get back home. But, and I go and I see, and I was like, am I not logged in? Because I had like 10 trades, low leverage, 2x. I think 2 or 3, I think 2 of them were 3x leverage. Nothing. All wiped out. But that's the risk we do when we're doing leverage. Notice here, you know, right now, I mean, we could come all the way down, but we start coming down to this moving average, and now we're starting to go up. And the moving average is the result of the price action. So if it continues going up, well, this continues going up. And then when it crosses, well, then it cross it or it bounce on it. So that's that. All right. Let's see here. What fiat? Money. I'm working for money. Let's see here. Put on the list. That's funny. I work with a bunch of guys. They're like, dude, I'm helping this girl outside. Man, she is fine. I might be a few minutes. All right, man. Go help her out. Yeah, that's funny. Grandpa says, can't always make lies, but I do catch the videos. Oh, good, man. Thank you. All right. So let us look at the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. When the price was way down here several days ago, we mentioned, I never tell you, that's one of my pet peeves. I told you guys, I told you to get in down here. I don't tell you anything. I just show you what I think might happen. And when I was saying when we're right here, literally here, I'm saying that we might start working our way up. Of course, for dang. And dang it. You see that? But when we're here, I was saying that more than likely, because we came down so much, we might start coming up. And we might start coming up. Maybe the mid-level of this zone, pull back, break through, get rejected about this level, pull back. I'm looking for pullbacks here, or maybe even better to this mid-level before coming up. Did I think this was going to happen? No. Unlike most YouTubers out there, where they kick you when you're down and they show you how great they are. And look at this. We had this impulsive move. Nice. Fair value gap. Blah, blah, blah. I told you the price was going to come down to it. Okay, man. It's great. Glad you know the future. I'm glad you know and you never lose, because it always happens the way you say. Really glad for that. And so I'm thinking we're gonna come down here, bounce, which is good too for this level. Come up, continue coming up. Possibly our next area of rejection, 98.3, 98.4. Come down, come up. Next level of major rejection, right around 104.6. And that also corresponds with, let's just zoom out. I have a video, made it a few days ago. It's about 8 minutes long, where I go over all this thought process. Here, it was nice support. Ooh, it's getting warm. Don't fall down, Joe. Not again. Yeah, I almost fell down the other day. It's crazy. I'm so much of a procrastinator that it took me about 20 years to get this. And I still haven't opened the box. Ancestry DNA test kit. It's still in the box. Hopefully I'll do it one day. Oops, everything's falling. All right, boom. Let's see here. So now, this is our major resistance level. And this level pretty much is right next to this level. So even if we do break this level, we have this. And not only that, but we have this trend line. OMG. This is internal because it's dotted. It's the dotted. So we have from here to here, and then it continues to go. Oh no, I did it from here to here, but I might as well have done it from here to here because it would have connected. So we have these major trend lines we're looking at. So those are all the levels that we could potentially, you know, make a lower high, which is fine. What we do not want to do, we do not want to break the lows. Right now, we're looking if, and am I bullish anywhere here? No. I mean, maybe bullish short term, we'll go do longs, but me, Damien, matter of fact, said it, we're in a bear market. I agree. Now, granted, technically we're not, because we haven't broken this level, its market structure. But until we start breaking highs and we get up way up here, let me change this color. Let's do it. Bitcoin orange. Until we break 119.4, macro, bigger picture, I'm not bullish. Because anywhere here, we could do a lower high, which is fine, then break the low that it creates. Now we're starting all over again. And the strength, momentum, the oomph goes away. We got to try it all over again. So right now, we're starting because we did not break this low. Good, let's go. Let's continue. I thought we were going to pull back and come up. If not, you know, plan B down here, go up. Right now, we're still going up. We still got FOMO. Got the pump going. H bar. We'll do H bar for Grandpa. H bar, Grandpa. Sugar Hard in the house. What's up? I told you to get more tacos. Yes. Let's see here. But here I'm thinking we're going to be going up. Will we have pullbacks? Yes, of course. But what we don't want is we don't want the break of the lows. And we start breaking the lows, we're going to lose our not self-esteem, but just the steam in the locomotive, in the train. And then we start coming down. And then everybody loses hope. It's like, oh, crap. All right, so let's get started, guys. Let us look at Sui. Do we have Sui up here? What's this one? AVAX, Link, QNT, Aster, Virtuals, Dash, Turbo, Ton, ADA, Arrow, So, VRA, XRP, Ethereum, and that's it. Okay. YouTube. Let's look at Sui for me, Damien. Sui. Oh man. Give me a moment. One moment. Oh, one moment. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Okay. Looking for my camera button in case I gotta do that again. Okay. Sui. Ooh, nice. I like it. All right, so we were looking at this. Let's go to daily. We're looking at this. And we actually set our alert here. And we would have entered, I would have entered on the 1 hour time frame. And it would have gone sideways for a little bit. Come down, boop, stop me out. Let's see here. Where would have been stopped out at? Let's see, it probably would have got in right here. Oh, man. I probably would, since I'm so far down, I would have probably, man, I would have lost like 18%. I don't think I would have gone underneath this. I would have definitely gone underneath the mid-level, midline of this, which is way up here. Because more than likely people are going to put their stop loss right here. So I do my stop loss here. And I would have done like a 2x. with an entry here where I entered, and then possibly, let me look at it at 1 hour. So again, I show you what I would have done in the moment versus what everybody else does. No, I wouldn't have done that. Yeah, you would have. We don't know what's going to happen until it happens. Okay, so here we had a nice run up. So here's where I would have added. If I was doing aggressive, I'm safer the break of this. So I would have entered here. I would have added here. It breaks this level. Awesome, amazing. Comes down, breaks this level. Ooh, a little worried. Bouncing here, great. Comes up, breaks this level. I move my stop loss. Move it all the way up here. Because what I don't want to do is I don't want to break this level. I want it to come down and then break this level and come up. Because if it comes down, it might take this, it might take this. And who knows, we might reverse it again. So I had it 18, and then I probably put it out here, about 9. So I lose like, we'll just call it 20%. And I would have added to my entry. Let's see here. Awesome, got a question, okay. I tell you what, let me let him in real quick. Okay. Jam out to the beat. Be right back. Get him back. I was trying to get him so that he could be famous. Oh, where's my camera? Right. Apple says, "Hey Joe, are you going uphill or downhill?" I don't even know if there's on an incline. I don't know if there's an incline. I think just regular. Oh no, I think there was a slight incline. I think it was slight incline. He literally just ghosted us. All right, so let's look at Sui right now. What's it doing right now? We showed you what we would have done. I think it's gonna come down and come all right. Oh, music's still too loud. There should be good. Let's look at it on a 4-hour time frame. Okay. So we broke our 4-hour structure, which is good. Which would have been this. But okay. Do zones. So that would have been my zone. Dang it. This is my zone. Right here. Here. This would have been my zone. Let's see here. This candle, man. I don't like seeing big candles like this. When you look to the left, the candles are like this. And when I'm saying this, just the size of the candle. I mean, they're not big. They're small. They're small candles. These are okay, decent candles. These are very small. Then dump, and okay candles. You know, regardless if it goes up or down. These are okay candles. And then pump. This right here, it liquidated a lot of people who were going short here. Why are they going short? Well, liquidity zone. For all you liquidity traders out there, they're going short here to bring it back down. I got wrecked. Now, for me personally, it went up, pulled back. This looks insanely bullish, like FOMO bullish. And I'm gonna explain why in just a second. And for me, I don't like these types of charts. Just because, I mean, if you're right, man, you make good, crazy money. But if you're wrong, it's like so when we have a pullback to the 24% or the 0.236, and it continues up and it breaks the level, that's, in my opinion, FOMO. When it pulls back to the 382, this is the minimum I'd like to see. Grandpa says, Joe, hurry up, man. Zach is trying to pull. Oh, let's see here. Do I think it'll come to 0.5? I don't think so. We have this zone right here. Right here. So, what's the percentage? So here's the thing too, the percentage. Because there's a lot of coins like this, like a lot of them. About 8%, 7%. Because I think it's going to pull back like 7% if it pulls back. And it would be healthy if it does. To pull back, into this little box or something, come up, come back down to here, maybe to the midline of this, which would be about right here where these kind of bodies are. Then do this. This would be healthy. This is what I like. Let's go ahead and put the midline. Go this style. Let's go white. So it's right here. Let's go a little bit higher. This would be healthy. If we go up from here, I don't like it. Because, yes, what goes up is going to come down. So if we go up, let me give you another scenario. If we go up from here, where am I? Look at that zone right there. I'm looking at this. And then here's our box before. Oh, I thought we were going to hit the middle. Okay, so that liquidation, okay. All right. So if we go up from here, I don't like it. And a lot of coins are like this. If we go up to here, there's lots of just huge drop, low volume node, big time. And that just means there wasn't a lot of ups and downs. Possibly come up here, come down, maybe another push, and then all the way down. And then I'll do something like this. So this is what we want. This is what we don't want. Of course, if this does happen, then you can take profits. But I am looking for about a 7% pullback. Okay, 6%. So let's do our happy face. Hey, what happened to the other faces? Oh, it was on that other thing. That's why. So we'll do our happy face for this one. And then we'll do our rocket for this one. But whoa. Let's do a sad face. I don't want to do a sad face. I guess we'll do a sad face. No. Do a warning. Do a warning if we, break the low. Because then hopefully now we're looking for a bounce and then continuation up. If not, done, over. Grandpa says, will Bitcoin push to 97 or pull back first? I think we're gonna go up. Let's go check it one more time. I think we're gonna go up. You know, continue going up. I was looking for a retrace here, but this is the same thing with Sui. I think it's, yeah, we're doing Sui. To where if we go up, we'll go up nice, and we'll come down. And then hopefully we bounce here for 91.5. I want to see this pullback because it's healthy, but if we continue the FOMO, when we do pull back, just like Sui, we'll come down hard, potentially. For me, because I think, you know, either way is going to be good. If we pull back and then we break a pivot, we can add to our entry. So we could do multiple entries. We could enter here, and we'll do this in the white. White means safe, yellow means aggressive. And then we can add to our entry on the break of this, expecting a pullback of about 7%. Now, if it rolls over, our stop loss is roughly, oh man, I've seen him pull back 78% though. That's what I don't like. And I hate to put my stop loss here just to get stopped out and then it run up again. Oh man. Kind of scary now. Been looking for a Bitcoin entry, but being careful at the moment. A pullback would be good. Yeah, I agree. I'm looking at where we can do a stop loss. I mean, I would love to do it here underneath the 0.5, but I'm afraid they're going to go into the hot pocket. I mean, hot pocket. And they go here, man. Scared. Very indecisive. Because lately that's what they've been doing. Or they'll come down to 78%. They'll come down and then take off. Just to stop everybody out who has their stop losses underneath here. Huge fair value gap on the 4 hour. And I don't want to put my stop loss way down here, 20%. No leverage. I mean, it has to be like that. 25%. No leverage right here. And I don't want to give another 5%. No leverage. I like trading with leverage. This one has to be no leverage. No, oops. No leverage. So entry, expect a pullback of about 5%, 6%, and then come up. If it starts coming down, well, they're just getting all the people who are going, you know, pretty high leverage, you know, their stops. And then hopefully it doesn't pass the 786. We're right here. Man, that was a long discussion on that one. Grandpa says, if Bitcoin pulls back, Sui will probably follow. Yeah, 100%. All the coins. And that's why I want Bitcoin to pull back, give a breather to these coins that have already moved, reset all the indicators and everything that people use, and then continue up. This is a healthy move. When we just continue going up and up and up and up, and then finally when Bitcoin rolls over, all these coins, hard. Statistically speaking, Joe, you can't even say the word. You don't even know what it means. Calm down. Let's see here. Mr. Ethereum says, I wouldn't make an entry right now. Bitcoin is going to pull back tonight, most likely. True. This is just in case it takes off. Just in case. But I was expecting Bitcoin to pull back yesterday. Was it yesterday? 4 hour. Yeah. I was expecting Bitcoin to pull back and continue going up. But it didn't go up like crazy. Kind of went up sideways, touched this area, or mitigated. Ooh, fancy. And now coming up. We'll see. Raffle says 20x on ZEC at the moment. Ooh. Either way, it doesn't matter. We'll see. But yeah, there's a lot of people doing high leverage. Whenever we have dumps like this, there's a really good chance that we'll come up to maybe here, then pull back, and then now we see, are we gonna break the pivot that we just did? And because we had a nice dump, now we get a low rally. Or when we come up, we lose momentum and then we break the low to attack this low, then we go back to shorting. That's literally all it is. And because we dumped and we didn't get a pivot, it just kept on going. Everybody made a lot of money. Lots of money. Yeah. All right. Kind of got up on the chat. Let's see here. Going to the list. Check the chat. Casper, yeah. All right, so let me start working. For Chris. Okay, I gotta get to it. Second's trying to pump. Grandpa. Sec. Bring. See here. So it is linked to Bitcoin. They seem to move together. No, they do, in my opinion. I mean, this. Oh, I thought we were on Civi. This pretty much looks like Bitcoin. But yeah. Let's see here. So we answered that one. They're looking at Bitcoin entry. Okay. What percentage did Bitcoin come down since the big drop? Oh, that's a good question. Oh, daily. He's way over here. Then we had this nice little pump, and we didn't enter trades because this could have been, oh, buying the bottom, let's go. This is, and then they trick us, which they did. I'm really happy that we didn't FOMO in to get into these trades. But from the rally, we'll do it from there. From there, 30%. Jeez, it's a lot. So look at Sui. Let's put this watch list. YouTube rapid fire. So that's my thought process on Sui. Let's do virtuals. Virtuals here, yeah. Virtuals. So virtuals we were looking at. Gaming gave this one way over here. I said, we'll set the alert here, play it safe, gave the parameters. Then here, it was a Sunday morning. I thought it was a Monday. That day wrecked me. It didn't wreck me. I got stopped out. When I get my stop loss hit, I say wrecked, but I thought it was Monday, and I saw Bitcoin breaking out of the zone. So I'm thinking we're gonna have a Monday pump. During the show, I found out because people were telling me, like, "Yo, it's Monday, it's Sunday." It's like, oh no. And you can literally see on my face, like, oh man. I thought we were gonna have a Monday pump. Could we pump? Sure. But the odds are better if it was Monday. and I entered it here aggressively, and sure enough, it didn't come up here. And boom. Then I added to my entry here, or I entered again here, and then I got stopped out. And but high leverage. If I would have done like a 2x leverage, I'd be in big money, but I didn't. So this one, it looks really good. Lots of movement. Came up, retraced very nicely. Went up, retraced a little deeper than I would like, but still nice. Went up again. Would I enter right now? What's the percentage? From here to the possible pullback? Oh, 5%? Heck yeah. Yeah. I do a stop loss right here. You can do just regular spot trade or a, let's hide this one. It's not confusing. Regular spot trade or 2x leverage. Now what we're looking for, and again, if Bitcoin pulls back, all these coins go. But I'm looking for maybe a pullback to as much as here, which is pretty deep. It's 78% of this move. But something like that. If we break this level, holy crap. Hopefully we just get the liquidations that people are putting their stop losses here. Right around 0.925. A lot of people are going to have their stop losses right here and right here. So ours is underneath both of those. So we'll see. Come on, Zach. I need to pay my rent. Oh no. So that's what I think for virtuals. I like it. It looks strong. Looks really strong. I would like to see a pullback, then a break. But the pullback, it's 5%, 6%, what I'm thinking we may get. So yeah, so that's that one. That was for Steve. Let's do H bar for Grandpa. H bar. We're working today, guys. We're working today. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see here. We entered on YouTube October 29th, and we got stopped out right away. Let's delete all this stuff. 31 drawings. Get out of here. Go to daily. I do like it. The potential is high. Okay. That. See these levels, these zones. Okay, so this zone right here is pretty strong. You know, wick went to it, wick went to it. Like this part. So let's go to the 4 hour. So it's got this zone, it's got a break. I think we're gonna pull back and then come up. But let me show you the zone that I see. You can do it from here. Nah, I'll do it from here. Here to here. It's my zone. Let's take off the midline. We don't need that. So here, I think we're gonna do something like this. We're gonna pull back to about here, which is nice. You know, it's about 50, well, definitely golden pocket. Not only golden pocket, but also fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame. So right here would be beautiful for it to, and then lower high, everybody freaks out on that, it's fine. Then this. Now for me personally, I would have to, it depends. I mean, if you're aggressive, you could do an entry here. I wouldn't, just for the fact that not only does this look really nice for a pullback, but also Bitcoin may pull back. And if it does, on top of this, more than likely we'll break this low, continue lower. But percentage from here to here. Okay, yeah. So I would have to set my alerts, and this is like waiting. It's so important. I would have to set my alert 10% from where it's at. Set my alert at 0.15975. Then the 4-hour candle must close above 0.15652. 4 hour. If it does, in that order, alert goes off first. You check it. 4-hour candle close above this level we just mentioned. Then we can enter. If not, the same thing that happened to our virtuals, where it could, just possibly dump or stay here for a long time, several days. This could also happen. But I do think that we'll come down to about 0.13842. Then break the highs, the pivots, come up. Let's go. Let's friggin' go. Let's see here. So that one's that one. Let's put this in our watch list. YouTube rapid fire. Click it again, so it goes to the very bottom. That's for Grandpa. Let's do some Caspa for Chris. Caspa. Ooh, sexy. I like it. So this is a bunch of teaching. If we break this level, we might, I don't know, we might come after this. We might come after this. Sure enough, came for it. And then we lower. And then here we're just showing, if it breaks the low, that's what we don't want if we're trying to go up. We're looking for the breaks of the highs. Here. Man, just beautiful. All the way up. Nice retracement. Gorgeous retracement. I like it. For this one, I don't want it breaking this level, of course. Let's go to this. I don't want it breaking 0.051. If it does, I would like to see a pullback though. And the pullbacks are they're healthy. It's part of it. I mean, heck, man. We have an ascending triangle pretty much right here. So that's bullish. Basically, that means a flat top-ish and higher lows. So it's showing strength. If we pull back, we could pull back to here to come up and do that. But I definitely don't want to break this low. We break this low, then really strong chance we come take this, and then we come and take all this. Like this. I like it though. I think it's good. What's the percentage from here to maybe the deepest that it'll run? Pull back that I would be okay with, about 9%. But if you were to enter, I'd have 2 entries for sure. One entry here, and then another entry just in case. Right here, right in this little block. Let's get the lower entry. I like it though. Looks good. Looks good. Oh man, I went to a workout place that's right by my house, and they want $55 to join, and then $35 a month. And I said, but on the website, because I went on your website, it says $20 to join, and then $25 a month. She goes, oh well, we had to increase our prices. Everything's going up. So I know. I said, oh well, I just buy the equipment. And then I went to Amazon for what's the Monday? Oh, when I went over there, I said, hi, I'm here for your Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. She looked at me like, what? I said, dang it, it was worth a try. I said, how much do y'all charge? She told me, it's like, whoa. I said, man, I should buy the equipment. And then I go, because it's Cyber Monday, I type in that, because I used to have one, the Total Gym, Chuck Norris. I loved it too. You use your own body weight. And it was on sale or whatever, like 450, maybe 500 bucks. I was like, man, it's gonna be like 250. I don't know if I'm gonna spend 550. So I think I'll continue doing my 1 push-up and 1 sit-up a day. It's basically when I get out of bed. I try to do a sit-up, like, oh, can't do it. Roll over, try to do a push-up. Oh, can't do it. Let me just roll out of the bed. That's my story. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking. I like it. Looks good. Looks healthy. We don't want to break this low. We break this low, we're out. So more than likely, start doing shorts. Not financial advice. Let's do Zcash for, you know what I was going to do? I think Grandpa. Zcash. I like it though. Let's go here. Watch list. Okay, Zcash. We haven't looked at this one, I don't think, in a while. Okay. So we're looking for a bounce here. We want to be careful with this, because if this happens, then more than likely come over. I'm assuming we're talking about this. And come up and come down. And it came down hard too. Oh, that's right. This is the one that pumped. Let's get rid of all this junk. 13 drawings. Get out of here. Take me. It's good to, yeah, I know. Let's see here. Grandpa says, my stop loss is in profits. Very nice. This looks like it wants to bounce on the daily. So here. Very nice, very nice. Here. Little list. Going down the list, reading these really fast. Let's see here. Mr. Ethereum says Bitcoin about to break 94. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Mr. Ethereum says Bitcoin is going to pull back. It's gonna be right now. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Up 100%. At the moment, fingers crossed. Let's go, man. Make money. I want everybody to make money. Man, I want everybody to make money. I want everybody to have the, and just because it's my name, but I want everybody to have the intuition to see stuff and just make an absolute bukus of money. And then, share with the group too. Like, hey, like what Meet Damien does. You guys, look at this chart. And what y'all are doing right now, look at this chart, look at this chart. So, man, I want everybody to make so much money. See here. Grandpa says, Joe, you can work out at home for free. Use your own body as leverage. Just take it slow. Yeah, build up, yeah. I used to do these things where I would use my own body weight, where I'd go at the very edge of the couch or the sofa and put my butt not sitting on it, and then just do it like that for your triceps. I did that a long time ago, but I get a pretty good workout at work. We pick up boxes that are like 20, 40 pounds. Things sometimes are 50 plus pounds. But whenever it's more, like I have say, hey man, help me out. And they'll ask me too, hey Joe, help me out with this. Yeah, man. Ox is like 98 pounds. You get that side, I get this side. All right. Oh yeah. And I have steps like for my porch. So that's my that step machine. Be going up and down those steps like a lot sometimes during the day. That's good. Okay. Thanks, Joe. Don't expect anything. Just throwing out ideas. Tell me to shut up. Nah, not even, man. I love it. I really do. Check out. I love you, dude. Grandpa says, you're a good man, Joe. We love you, man. Dude, like, I love you guys. I really do. I don't even know what else to say besides that. I really do. I want us all to be successful. I want us to like learn more about how the manipulation is there and it's real. And then hopefully, like I said, we can have the intuition to where it's like, you know what, I think this might happen. And then it plays out. The only thing that I say though, please do not get big-headed to where you can't even get out of your office. It's like a big old bobblehead. You're just dong, ding, dong, 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 ding, dong. Because then when you lose, you're gonna lose hard because you're training too much. All right, so let's look at Zcash daily. Nice, man. Ooh, I would like to see it come down just a little bit more, but it looks like it's gonna bounce here though. I got from this kind of body close, this kind of body close. It creates like a zone. Came right to it. I like it. Nice pullback too. We just don't want to break this zone. We break this zone, forget it. Lights out. Oh man. Look at how sexy this is. Got that line. Look how just, and it's easy to see this in hindsight. However, look here. Boom, boom. Let's break this level. 371.40. Moon mission. Not financial advice. Moon mission. Let's go to the 1 hour. I like it. Nice cup. Possible handle. Moon mission. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a close of this. Let's do those zones. Right there, make this in white. No, we'll do it in blue. So their zone is 384, 371. We need to break out of this. Could we enter now? Sure. I mean, I like it. We do have an area of concern, which is this zone. But let's see here. There it is. Oh, where's this blue line? Oh, the blue line's from over there. Okay. I was like, why isn't it matching up? Gonna bother me. There. Nope. Oh, I had it. Come on, Joe. Had this. Down, up, down. Beautiful. For me, I might even take this trade, but have a tight stop. Ooh, not so tight. Dang it. 8%. I'm actually going to take this trade. It's aggressive because we're underneath this zone that we need to break out of. Stop loss. And I'm still not logged in on this dumb computer. Dang it. But I'm going to take it right now. I'm going to go to the other computer and get in So let me just put this in right quick. And I'm gonna do it long. I'm gonna do it 3x. 3x. 3x long. And I'm entering right now. Long. So give me just a moment. Enter this trade. Gotta hop on the other one. What's this Zcash? Zcash. Cash. Okay. Leverage 3x. Stop loss. 324. 324.17. Stop. So, place my order, and it hasn't hit yet. 1 second. What are you even doing? $351.74. $351.74. $351.74. $351.74. $351.74. $351.74. $351.74. See here. YouTube entry. And this is, we're December already. Get out of here, guys. Wow. I'm supposed to be a millionaire right now. Time is 10. Oh, we're actually over our time. We'll do 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard. Oh, we know it's Eastern Standard. Is it okay? There we go. I think I'm in. If not, hopefully it comes down to it. But what I'm planning, hopefully Bitcoin doesn't ruin this show. But if it does, I'm gonna have my stop loss. But I'm thinking, we had this. This. Joe, that's 3 drives and a dump, or 3 tops and a mountain climb. I don't know what they say. But that's what I'm looking at. Let's go, moon mission. Let's go. My target. We'll do, I'm looking at here, but we'll do it a little bit lower. So we're in front of the line. This will be our first target. And it's aggressive. This is aggressive. Let's do a yellow circle. Let's do it like this. Why is this aggressive? Because we're underneath our level. So that's why it's aggressive. It's a pretty good level right here. Let's do our target. Target. 50%. Coordinates. And I'm gonna check the chat in just a second, guys. Paste it. Target. Click it. Hold down Shift. Bring it over. Look professional. Let's go. Moon mission. I'm pretty sure I'm in right now. All right. See here. Let's see what y'all are saying. I need money for that fanny pack collection. See here. Grandpa says, I used to be in building. Carpenter. Oh, you're a carpenter? I think so, a carpenter. I really wish I knew how to do all that stuff. My cousin, he knows how. I've always hired people. And I think that's my biggest regret in life. I mean, I could learn, but often lifting heavy things. Yeah. Now it's just me who's heavy. That's funny. See here. Be careful, Joe. Expect a pullback on Zcash. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I would like to see continuation. Put up. And if we do come down, then I'll just wait. I'll wait. So what I do is I give it a shot. I give it a shot. I'm looking for this type of move. Bounce here, come up. Now, if I get stopped out, okay, I tried it. It was aggressive. I understand. What I'll then do is, okay, I got one strike on me. That's fine. Then I'll wait up here. You know, what if it comes down and then it goes? I might take a shot at it again. But then if I get striked out again, then I won't enter it until it breaks this. Because this will be structured. But I do like it though. So here, Grandpa says, good advice. Be a few times trying to be careful on my recovery. Been wrecked a few times, yeah. And just trade with little money. You know, like, you don't have to try to make hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands. Heck, trade with $5, $1, $10, $100, whatever's little to you. Trade with that. Just to see if it was a good entry or a good trade. But yeah, the time when we can make good money will come. And some people did make good money because, well, they have higher risk. They're putting in, you know, good, decent money on the breaks. Hopefully, you know, we go up. And it just depends too, like on structure, really. But yeah. Let's see here. Cover that. Caramel says, that's okay. I won't charge you. Oh man, it's getting warm too. Oof. Joe, you still going? Yeah, we're rocking and rolling. See here. See here. Zach, I was hoping for 350 first and seconds 370. Let's go. Yeah, but since for me I'm entering here and it's 7% here, could I do this? Sure. We do this. But I really wanted to break out of this. Now, if I see that we do something like this, where we come up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and we start coming down like this, then it's like, you know what, let me take some off the table, let me move up my stop loss. Because I don't want it to break the low. You know, I want it to come up, down, break the high, not break the low, and then come up, down, break the high, not break the low. But if it starts doing this, it's like, okay, it's ranging now. And more than likely it's gonna come down here, something like this, you start coming up again. And then be in this accumulation for who knows how long. Yeah. So that was for Grandpa. Okay. So here. Did Bitcoin react right where I said it was going to? Let's see. Ooh, sexy. So here we were looking at it, coming up, coming down, broke through the 9 SMA, to come up above it, started dancing on it, started going up, and boom, broke this level. Not good. So for Bitcoin shorts, what we're looking for, which would like 99.8% of the time, especially right now, bring down the market if Bitcoin starts coming down. And I'd be looking for something like this. Coming for this and this and possibly this. And let's see if we bounce and we don't come here. We do another higher low. Okay. That's what I would look for that. Let's see here. Carol says, has pump a good short option? The coin pump? Is there a coin pump? Right now. So that's what I'm looking at. So I'm in this right now. Let's see. We got Al in the house. What's up, Al? Pump fun, that's right. Remember this? It came out and it dumped like all their coins. So we're looking here. We're looking for a bounce here. This would have been beautiful. 4 hour candle needs to, 4 hour candle needs to close above this. Set your alert. The alert went off into the trade here. Broke this level. Lower entry hit. This was the October 10th event. Then here, so we would be at a loss, but not crazy loss. And we were looking at 38% lower than we were at. And it hit and then some. But these are your spot trades. For pump, it doesn't look as good. Well, it's kind of the same. Most of these are going to kind of look the same. So this is a zone that needs to break above for us to look at it. Let's see here. We're talking about you a lot, Al. How amazing you are. And how amazing this call was. Oh, I think I hit it. Right there. But yeah, Al said that we're going to come down lower. I think we're going to bounce. It went right to his liquidation area or heat spot or whatever it was. Heat map. So it's good. All right, guys. We have gone 1.6 miles. And wait for it. Speed is 1.2. And we've been taking our steps for 81 minutes. Let's freaking go. I think Road Dog's gonna be on. Let's see who's on. Where's my here. Here. See where we're gonna go. We're gonna go redirect. Click. We got Trader Geo's on again. I like him a lot. We got Lunar Beaches. I don't see Road Dog. Let's do Trader Geo again. We did him last night. Well, I don't know. We'll see who does the first one. Where do y'all want to go, guys? Trader Geo or Lunar Beaches? The first one wins. The first one wins. Joe's a machine. I still want to do that long live stream, but I don't know when. And then when I am off mining fiat, I'm doing a bunch of stuff. But LBC, I'll set it. Is it LBC? Yep. Okay. So let's go over here to LBC and make sure to put trade intuition. I do thank you guys very much. You guys are the absolute best. The trade tuition, I do thank you. And remember, guys, we are going to be very successful. We are here right now when others have put it to the back of the closet. And they're like, I'll get to it later. And everything starts pumping and Bitcoin's at $140,000, $150,000. They're like, all right, I'm back in. Let's go. Moon mission. Where are we going now? And they need to be in right now. And you're here. So you will be very successful. That's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. Remember, trade, intuition, raid. And then also, not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade without the tuition. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Trade intuition, the chart magician, make sure to
Where's that off button? Oh, there it is. Nope. That's the faster button.